Hey YouTubers, London Broil, it's back.
The GoPro messed up, so I put applewood on there. I put sriracha on there. And I put shifties on there. All good stuff. And we're going to close this up. Alright, so we put that stuff on there. We're going to let this percolate, marinade, whatever you want to call it. We're going to make a nice London broil today. Alright, that's it for now.
This is a good seasoning. I left it on there a couple hours. There's potatoes, foil packs on the grill.
Alright, I got the potatoes on. And I got a little carried away and I cut up too many potatoes and I ended up having to make a second foil pack for them and get those going. Alright, there's the London. It's going on. It is going on. Vegan going back to about as much meat as you can have.
My way is get the grill good and hot, 4 minutes on each side, then 4 minutes indirect.
Close that up, turn it up, and let it go. Let's flip this puppy. Four more minutes on this side. Alright, it's flipping time. I'm gonna move this a little bit over here. Move this there. Pull this. Oh. Pull this down here. And let this finish cooking.
Shooting for a nice medium rare.
Now I'm gonna turn it off and let it go for the same amount of time without heat on it, kind of indirect cooking. Alright, we're gonna flip that right back out. Another 4 minutes. Indirect heating, go. Okay, take the London off and let it rest for 5 minutes. That's a nice looking London broil, I think. Okay, we're gonna flip this over. Flip this over. And let them keep cooking while that rests. Alright, let's open these up and see how they're doing. Oh, it's hot. 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 Not the GoPro. Okay. Those are about done. I'll open up the other one, see how they're doing. If they fared any better. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, these came out pretty good. Turn that off and we'll get this all plated up. Alright, let's do the potatoes. Let's cut it. Let's take a look. Look.
Even though I've gone vegan, I admit I can make a steak. 4 minutes on each side, and then 4 minutes indirect, and perfect medium rare.
Alright, flyover. Those potatoes came out pretty good. Look at that. Beautiful London broil. Nice, steamy goodness. Alright, let me eat this. Alright, let's do the potatoes. See how they taste. Mmm. Not too bad. Just some garlic salt on it. A little bit of Creole seasoning. Let's cut into this puppy. See how juicy that is? Look at that. Look at that juiciness. Yeah, vegan slip day, huh? Hold on. Look at that. Still nice and juicy. Mmm. Okay, going vegan is cool and good, and I like the food. But there's something about a nice steak too every now and then. Hope you enjoyed and have a great and wonderful day.
Just throwing a steak to the meat eaters.
I had to come back. Just had to come back to tell you how good that is.
I'll break down every now and then and go back to meat, but mostly vegan. I don't think it's been a month at least since I've had meat. Well, no, Christmas I think I had some meat. But yeah, that's pretty good. The only thing left to see is if I end up paying for this. A lot of times when you switch back and forth between vegan and meat, it can bother your stomach a little bit. You know, you get used to not having meat, or you get used to having meat and switch, and, takes a little bit. But tastes good.